May, mag-wave ka naman. Hello. Hi, Michael. Michael is the inspector. He's going to inspect the train. Breakfast tayo, Nay. Wala nang pancake. Eh. Ano na lang? Eggs na lang, tsaka ham. Egg tsaka ham. Ha? Oh, okay. French toast. Oh, yun. Ayun na lang. Toast na lang. Bread toast, egg, tsaka ham.
Oh, tingnan niyo ako ha. I'll stand up. Okay, I'll walk now.
Huwag masyado may, ha?
Okay. Wait for me. Okay, one.
Open na yung train, May. Mahina na masyado.
Let's turn off the third train. Oops, traffic, traffic, traffic.
Next time, he wants to ride, so we want bigger train. Michael, you want bigger train, huh? Next time.
The one that I can ride on,
Mm.
baby.
May, wag mo yun. Yung kamay niya nasa train, maano.
Wala akong magagawa.
Mahay, ano. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Ate Nene. All my cousins in the Philippines. My auntie. Everybody. Please send my presents here. Bye-bye. I love you.